Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ken Walker back here, KW Hotel Tours. I know it's been a while, but we are back here for another hotel room review. We are here at the we are here at the Comfort Inn, Gold Coast Mall, Ocean City, Maryland. I only paid $55. I only paid $55 for this room, and we are in room 536 non-smoking. Please feel free to check out my TripAdvisor down below to see more pictures of this hotel, and please subscribe. A full room tour, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll stick the key in here. Alright guys, here's our security right here, and here's our security map or shape of our hotel right here. Pause if you want to read that. Here's a little closet area here, bathroom that is occupied. Here's a little wet bar area with a microwave with ramen noodles cooking in it, and a little fridge. Very cool. There's my grip, and this room has 2 double beds, and this is a no-view room. This hotel's not on the ocean. This hotel is actually on the bay, but we got a room with no view. $55, can't beat it. There's the microwave going off. So we got a room with 2 double beds. Which are pretty nice. Pretty firm. And the beds are nice and clean. I did that with the blacklight. Checked all that. Checked on their mattresses, which is nice. They have the bed bug covers under the mattresses, so everything is nice and clean. Carpet? There's a little bit of stains on here. It's okay. Nothing to complain about. We got a wardrobe here. How you doing, guys? We got some Super Troopers playing on TV here. 32 Phillips. We got some drawers. Here we go with a nightstand here, which is pretty cool. I like how they got these outlets on the side of the lamps. It helps to plug your stuff in. Room 536. Here's the address to the Comfort Inn, Gold Coast Mall, Ocean City, Maryland, if you want to stay here. Time's 10:06. There's your wardrobe right here. Here's a little table with our ice bucket and guest directory where you can do your business stuff. Heater and air conditioner right here. You got your lamp and chair right here, and right where I'm pointing, that's where you control the climate control units. And here it's got a view of the parking lot. Side view of the parking lot. There's a little bit of a view right here out in the city. Don't know how much you can see it. Hey buddy. So yeah, we're facing at some more hotels in Ocean City, pretty much. That's our view. So yeah, here's a room right here. 2 double beds, and someone's showering in the bathroom right there, but the bathroom is clean. Everything is clean here. I mean, the cleanliness of the room, the maintenance is not bad. The pool could use a little touch-up work. It could be a little bit more painted over. Other than that, it's in good shape. And yeah, if you guys are in Ocean City, Maryland, and you don't care if you stay on the ocean or not, and you want a heated indoor pool and hot tub, and you want a clean room, and you're on the bay, the Comfort Inn, Gold Coast Mall, Ocean City, Maryland, is your place to go. With that being said, I hope you enjoy this little video that I made. And please subscribe, guys, and I hope to upload more soon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.